Hey everyone, welcome back. I took a bit of a break and I am back because I've been working on something really cool. I have been building a new arbitrage bot for Polymarket. This is not some hobby script. This is not some arbitrary signals group. This is a properly designed bot for the Bitcoin 5-minute up or down markets. And in this video, I'm going to keep it simple. I'll cover what the bot actually does, the basic structure that it is built with, and finally, why our space needs better tooling. If you trade Polymarket, you understand the markets move extremely fast. We've got windows that last just 5 minutes, prices fluctuate wildly, and by the time you're able to recognize where the edge is, it's gone. That's the first bottleneck. Speed is number 2, is emotion. You're on a 2-window winning streak, you feel incredibly confident and so you go bigger. Unfortunately, one bad window may wipe out your entire P&L. 3 is noise. So many of these bots promise the world but fall apart once tested against live market data. So many tools look fancy but are fundamentally weak when dealing with 5-minute market pressures. So many setups are a single giant script that will likely crash when the market gets busy. So I wanted something that is going to allow me to relax when my clock is ticking. I wanted a structure I could trust. So what does this bot actually do? It watches Bitcoin price. It watches Polymarket up and down books, and it estimates a fair price for each and places careful buy orders. It manages inventory and risk if upwinds or downwinds, and it records all the data. Think of this as a rule-based market-making strategy scaled for 5-minute markets. It's not guess Bitcoin and get lucky. It's read the market, post quotes according to strict rules, and actively manage exposure. So let's go into infrastructure in simple words. The bot is written in Rust, which I've chosen for speed and robustness. If you've ever traded with every second counting, slow code gets extremely expensive. The bot has been broken into 4 separate processes and a supervisor to start and monitor those processes. The first process is the collector. This one pulls market data and Bitcoin price, and it also finds the current 5-minute market. It's designed to be the first in and last out of market data. The second process is the quote engine. This one is the brains that creates the buy quotes on both the up and down book, skews them based on inventory, and places them with Polymarket through the order gateway. The third is the order gateway and the hot path. All orders go through this one, along with cancel and replaces. The gateway has a paper trading feature to test strategies, and a live feature that actually communicates with Polymarket's trading APIs. Finally is the risk ledger, which tracks fill, inventory, P&L in both win states, and has its own built-in kill switch just in case something goes wrong. It's important to note that you can run this bot in dry run mode, where you simply view what the behavior would look like as far as placing orders, without actually risking real capital. Obviously, live trading will require an additional level of testing. I don't have much to do with that. Markets are always inherently risky. The main reason why I want to share my thoughts on other bots is they typically tend to make these kinds of errors. They poll slowly, they completely disregard inventory or some single number probability prediction, or they are presented as great examples in screenshots, but once you see them in action in the 5-minute market, they're just not. future videos, we'll dig more into the structure of the 5-minute market, the reasons why people fail, a deeper look into the actual architecture of the Rust code, how an individual 5-minute market looks from the perspective of the bot, and finally some realistic observations on what kinds of financial risk are involved. If you would like to see future parts of this series, please subscribe to the channel and also leave a comment below with what you want to see next. More theory of markets, more of the Rust code, or perhaps more demonstrations of the bot in action.